Ever wondered how a simple sound effect became a cinematic legend? Picture this: it's 1951, and the film Distant Drums is released, featuring a harrowing scene where a soldier is dragged underwater by an alligator. Amidst the chaos, a distinctive scream pierces the air, a scream that would echo through the decades. Unbeknownst to many, this chilling cry, now famously known as the Wilhelm scream, would be recycled and immortalized in over 400 films and TV shows, from Star Wars to Indiana Jones. Its origin remained a mystery until the 1990s when sound designer Ben Burtt traced it back, revealing a fascinating legacy of one small moment in cinema history that resonated far beyond its initial use.